shows This van came in. This is the first time we've ever seen it. It's one of our fleet customers. It has relatively low mileage on it, about 50,000 miles. It's only 2 years old, but it's slipping in between like third and fourth gear, but just for a fraction of a second. So the fluid level is not hateful, but it's overdue for a transmission service. So I was going to take a look and see what the condition of the general vehicle was. And when I put it up in the air, what I found, this is the transmission pan. It's been hit. So chances are, this is right where the transmission filter is. The pan is now sucked up to the filter, so it's probably not submerged and pulling up the fluid like it's supposed to, or it's cracked or it's broken. I'm not sure yet because I haven't gotten it off. But it's definitely been hit. As you can see, this thing is off-road a lot. It's got a lot of mud encased on it. I'll probably get it outside and pressure wash some of this off beforehand to make sure I don't get anything inside the transmission when I pull that out. But yes, is this something that's avoidable? Sure. But if you hear something and a big bang underneath your car and it starts performing differently, you really want to have it checked out. They haven't said anything to me about this. It's obviously been like this for a while. So I'm going to need another pan in here. When I get that in here, I'm going to put them back to back so you can see what a new pan is supposed to look like compared to that one.